assist on the rear bumper. What you want to do first is get the bumper over the bracket and it'll line up by itself. Do that on the other side too. So I'm gonna put a screw on this one and I'm gonna go over there and plug up the sensors. I'm not tightening it all the way. I just want to put these bolts on there so I can go over there and put that sensor on without the bumper falling. Once it's all lined up, go ahead and push down on the white lever. There you go. So when you hear it click, that means everything's lined up and this is good to go. So once everything's connected on the sensor side, I'm going to go ahead and go on one side of the bumper. You guys come over here, I want to show you guys what not to do. So basically make sure this bracket right here is behind the bumper and that should go in firmly well. Just like that. Okay, so we're going to go to the other side, make sure it lines up also. Again, make sure you have that bracket behind the bumper. Here, go ahead and put it down. So we're going to start off with an 8mm on top. On this one right here, didn't have the screw. Let me see if they're missing a little bracket. Okay, the bracket is there. Kind of lined it up. Alright, there we go. Alright, so on this old bumper, we forgot to get the other clip. We're going to take that off now and put it on the other one. So basically you just put this clip right in here, just like that. The bolt back in. Alright, so this one's missing a bolt. I put the two bottom ones and the two top ones so it'll firmly hold together. Alright, so we're gonna take off these clips again. This was from the old bumper, but it fell off. So we're gonna take that off. Same thing, I'm gonna start from the top. Get yourself an extension. Alright, so the sides are secured. We're gonna go underneath. So we're gonna put the 10mm in there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put the 10mm on right here. The other one right here. The other one right here. Right here in the middle is going to be an 8. I mean a 7. Alright, that's everything for underneath. Then a 10 right here. Alright, that's everything for underneath. This one with the washer on it goes in the bottom. Facing on the side. Go ahead and tighten those up. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and get the tow hook cover off. So basically what I did was put my hand underneath there and I just pushed down on this. So insert that wire inside that little hole. And then first put the top in. That's how you guys install a 2015 Chevrolet Suburban rear bumper with sensor holes. And all the extra tools that you needed was that little rivet gun that you could have gotten at Harbor Freight. But if you guys like this video, go and subscribe to us, turn on that push notification, and if you guys need any parts, we sell pre-printed auto body parts at redmotor.com. Thank you.